Oh, welcome to my channel and join me on this platform. Life is unpredictable. But before I go through, kindly subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share it to everyone you know on your platform. Life is unpredictable. Life is unpredictable because it tends to change at any time without a reason or warning, and therefore you cannot depend on it. Now, always listen to the sound of the wind before you get carried away by mere words. Words are very powerful, but the wind gives you a signal of what is to happen. So listen to the sound of the wind. Now, when you study the movement of the winds, these are the things you discover. Number one, the wind blows out human character. I repeat, the wind blows out human character. Now, the character of the man tells you who that man is. So words can be said to deceive you, but character speaks out the reality. False words are not just evil in themselves, but they infest the soul with evil. They will tell you one thing, but the heart says another. Now, words are not seen, but they are heard and felt, and they go out like waves. But what you need to look out for is the action of the word spoken in your ear. Number two, the wind blows out loyalty attribute. Now, loyalty is an important aspect of the life of every human being existing on this planet. Now, what the wind does in this aspect, it blows out all those that got you covered, all those that says, no matter what you do, we got you covered. From those who talk before you and backstab you. Those who say one thing in your presence, but at your back, they are the ones starving you to death. Now, in this generation, loyalty is rare. Of course, if you ask anybody, they will tell you that they are very loyal to people. And sometimes they wouldn't even see their own flaws. But the wind will blow every actions out if you watch carefully and study the language of the wind. What the wind does, number three, blows out those who are not committed. Now, it is possible to be loyal to someone and not be committed. And it is also possible to not be loyal to someone and not be committed. Now, what is commitment? Let's look at that. Now, commitment is a willingness to give your time or energy to something or someone you believe in, or a promise or firm decision to do something. Or in short, we say willingness is a state of quality of being dedicated to a cause or activity. Now, in most relationships, I say in most relationships, people are there for a personal reason and not because they love someone or not because they love their partner. One party may love and the other may be committed due to the benefit that comes from within that union. And to find out that they are not loyal, they make promises that they can't fulfill. Now, if what they benefited from is no longer benefiting them, this is when you hear this huge word called incompatibility. One would say to the other, we are not compatible. Why? Because what benefited them is no longer benefiting them, and they have found a replacement. But in all, life is unpredictable. So therefore, don't be carried away by mere words, but study the language of the wind so that you can know the direction to follow when the wind blows. Now, share this video to all on your platform. Comment, like, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. God bless you. Shalom. Peace be unto you.